To begin with, measure the depth of the hole that you intend to place the ground anchor in. We recommend creating a hole anywhere between 23 to 30 centimeters in depth, then filling the hole in with approximately 5 centimeters of concrete to start as a base, allowing anywhere between 18 to 25 centimeters of depth for the ground anchor, depending on how much you want it to protrude from the ground. The hole should also be approximately 15 centimeters in width in either direction to allow the securing pins to sit in place. We're going to start by inserting the securing pins to the ground anchor and then placing it into the ground. It's important to make sure that you're happy with the position of the ground anchor before moving forward. Once you're happy with the position of the anchor, begin cementing it in place. Ensure that the cement fully covers the securing pins. Follow the steps provided with your cement or seek professional installation. Once the cement has set, your ground anchor is ready for use.